In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create category in GoDaddy Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and a few simple tips to keep your store organized and easy to browse. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official site and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open the account menu by clicking your username. From that drop-down, choose My Products to see everything connected to your account. Next, pick the website or store you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one for this category. Click Manage to open the site dashboard. This is your control center for everything store-related. Inside the dashboard, find and click Store. This takes you to your e-commerce settings. From there, select Categories. Categories help customers browse your products quickly, and they also make your store easier to maintain as it grows. Click Create Category to add a new one. You'll see a form with a few key fields. Start with the category name. Choose a clear, simple name that matches how your customers think about your products. For example, New Arrivals, Accessories, or Summer Collection. Keep it short and specific so it fits nicely in menus. Below that, add a description. This is optional but highly recommended. A brief, helpful description sets expectations, improves search visibility within your site, and gives customers confidence they're in the right place. 1 to 3 sentences is usually perfect. Next, look for the category link or URL slug. This is what appears in the address bar for that category page. It often autofills based on your name, but you can refine it. Use lowercase letters, short words, and hyphens instead of spaces, something like Summer Collection. Keeping it clean and readable helps both customers and search engines. You can also add a cover image. Choose an image that represents the category at a glance, clean, on-brand, and easy to recognize. Aim for a high-quality file that loads quickly, and make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Consistent styling across categories makes your store feel polished. When everything looks good, click Save. You should now see your new category listed in the Categories area. If you notice a typo or want to adjust the image or link, you can return here anytime to edit. That's it. Your category is created and ready to help shoppers find what they need faster.